No, 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 no. Doors closing. Coney left. Go left. Doors open. Let me get the interior. It's a bit basic. Got two doors because you've got the car park level as well. Try to get out. This is the problem with Oxford. You've got these buddy dock-lift bikes. And they just go anywhere. They're not docked. They're not like the bikes in London. I honestly don't know why we have them. But you know, just what they do. Well, I'm on Arriva. Arriva DB. I don't know what bus is this. It's still got the old logo on it. I mean, now Arriva's changing the logo. Invade the driver, no. Yeah, I like that old livery. This is John Lewis. Where is it? I can't see the logo. Oh, it's up there. I can know the logos. Wow. A few years ago, this was this Messland. It was this is where the old car park.